Really quick tutorial here on a new update for Adobe Premiere. So if you haven't updated your Adobe Premiere lately, I would recommend doing it because this is a feature I've been wondering about for years and hoping they would add it. Previously, you've had to go File, Export, Media in order to get one of your projects out into a video file if you wanted to share it or upload it somewhere. And now you can head over here to this little I'll just close that to this little box here with the arrow on it, and it says quick export. Yes, I would like to try that. So if I click on this, it's going to have the location where I want to share or save my film. We're going to click on that. Obviously, make sure that it's saving to the place I'd like it to save. Great. And then we're going to choose one of the presets here. Usually you're going to choose the first one, this adaptive high bit rate, so that it's a good quality, and it's going to match the same quality that it was shot at. So I shot at 4K 24 FPS on the iPhone. So I'm pretty happy with that. But let's say you needed to have a really small file size. You needed to maybe share it or email it or just have it output somewhere that the resolution wasn't as important. You could choose one of these lower quality options here. It's nice here that it just shows what it was shot at in terms of like what codec it was using, and then the resolution here, the FPS, as well as the bit rate and the length of the film. And one of the features that is really cool is it gives you a sense of how big it's going to be. 18 megabytes, very manageable. I hit export and it does its thing. And there we go, a feature that I think should have been in Premiere years ago, and we've now got it. So I hope that's useful for you.